Pay homage to the Buddha by reciting Namo Tassa 3 times before we start our Dhamma talk. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Dear faithful devotees, dear brothers and sisters in the Dhamma, today also we are still continuously going to explain about Rupa. But last time, do you remember, we already explained Chitta Samuttana Rupa, mind-born Kalap, mind-born Rupa. How many and what is the meaning of mind-born, Chitta Rupa, and how we divide internal and external according to the Buddha's teaching. But today also we are going to explain the Utu Ahara Samuttana and Utu Samuttana. Those are two explanations not included to the Dhammasangani book, but we make by ourselves for the understand, to explain for the student. Because why? Lord Buddha already explained the Chittaja Rupa, mind-born Kalapa, mind-born Rupa, but we cannot forget Ahara Samuttana and Utu Samuttana. These two also we must study, must understand. But our Lord Buddha already explained the different place, not this place. But anyway, we make by ourselves Ajjatika na ahara samuttanam, bahirang ahara samuttanam, bahirang na ahara samuttanam. Okay, this is the main topic. Ajjatikam na ahara samuttanam. Not in the Dhammasangani, included for complete understanding for the Rupa. What is the meaning? Ajjatikam, internal, na ahara samuttanam, na not nutriment born Rupa. Bahirang, external, ahara samuttanam, nutriment born Rupa. Bahirang, external, na ahara samuttanam, not nutriment born Rupa. Okay, what is the meaning? Ajjatikam na ahara samuttana, meaning internal, not nutriment born Rupa. Bahiram ahara samuttanam, external, nutriment born Rupa. Bahiram na ahara samuttana, external, not nutriment born Rupa. Okay, this is the main meaning. But this is a ahara samuttana we call ahara maya. But the ahara samuttana meaning ahara maya. Okay, now how we understand nutriment born Rupa Kalapas according to our revision notes. Revision. Ahara Rupa Kalapa. Ahara Rupa Kalapa, there are pure octet, 8 Rupa. There are 8. Lahutadi Eka Dasaka Kalapa. The Lahuta Mudra Kamanyata. Okay, now see 8 pure 8 inseparable Rupa and lightness, softness, wildness, space element, generational continuity. Those are 14 types of nutriment born Rupa. Okay. How many ahara samuttana Rupa? There are 14. What are the 14? 8 inseparable. Patavi Apo Tejo Vayo Varnagandharasa Oja. 3 lightness, softness and wildness. Space element and generation and continuity. This is a meaning. Okay. Comparing rupas of different origins. There are 14 rupas that are nutriment born. All of them may also arise from other origins. Hence, there is no rupa that is definitely ekanta nutriment born. All 14 type rupas, age separable, lightness, softness, generation, continuity, can either be nutriment born or products born by other origins. Here, hence, their origin is not definite ekanta. Sorry, anekanta. Remaining 14 rupas are definitely ekanta, not nutriment born, root. Okay. So, how we understand about the rupa? What are the 8 rupa avinibhoga, inseparable rupa? Life faculty, jivit indriya, other faculty, indriya, heart base, hadevatu, sound saddha, intimation vinyati to vinyati, license triad, lautadi, the 3, space, akasadhatu, there 1, generation and continuity. Vipassana, upachaya, rupas upachaya, rupas santati. And J impermanence, rupas jarata and rupas anichata. Now, those are 28 rupa. 28 rupa can produce the Kamaja rupa also and Chittaja rupa. Kamaja rupa arising means how we understand Kamaja rupa, we already understand. And Chittaja rupa we already understand. But now we want to know about the Aharaja rupa. So, but now total all the 28 rupa we already mentioned now. According to 28 rupa, there are 20 is Kamaja rupa, 17 is Chittaja rupa, 15 there are Utuja rupa, and 14 there are Aharaja rupa. Again, there are 20 of Kamaja, there are 17 Chittaja, there are 15 Utuja, there are 14 Aharaja. 15, 14. Okay. Now, now we want to know some of the rupa still they have mind to have mind to come. Ahara samuttahana. Some of the rupa, ahara samuttahana, nutriment born rupa, and no ahara samuttahana. Okay, the no ahara samuttahana also there are 14. How we understand? Example. Anyway, there are, what are the 14 rupa of ahara samuttahana? Yes. Now you see, what are the 14? So, yes, ahara samuttahana, anekanta, they are not definitely nutriment born. 4 mahabhuta. Okay, you see the yellow color column. 4 mahabhuta especially. but yes, oja rupa, but the gochara vanna gandha rasa, but the vanna gandha rasa and tangible, but no more sound. Anyway, space, lightness, softness, wilderness, generation, continuity. Now you see again how many ahara samuttana? The yellow color. Yes. For Mahabhuta, but here, yeah, for Mahabhuta, and after that, the Gochara Rupa. What is Gochara Rupa? Vanna, Gandha, Rasa, Pottab. Pottab is a Pataviteja Vayu. We don't need to again explain. After that, they have Kabalinkara Ahara. Oja, no? Oja. And after that, there is space element. Lightness, softness, wilderness. And after that again, generation continuity. So those are, there are no ahara samuttana ekanta. Definitely, cannot say definitely they have some of rupa in the ahara samuttana. But that's why ahara samuttana, they are don't have ekanta, but all are anekanta. Anekanta. What are the exclude of ahara samuttana? There are no ahara samuttana ekanta. You already explained, no? 5 sensitivities. Yeah. Chakku, sota, ghana, jihva, khai. There are 5 sensitivities. Same way, life faculty, male and female faculties, heart base, to intimation, aging, and impermanence. Okay. So now you see among the 28 rupa, how many aharaja rupa and how many no aharaja rupa. Aharaja rupa there are 14, no aharaja rupa there are 14. How we understand? Okay. After that, now you can see clearly in this the circle, red color circle and blue color circle. According to the ahara samuttana ekanta 0, then definitely this is only ahara rupa. We cannot say any rupa. That's why ahara samuttana ekanta 0. Anekanta there are 14. Okay. The ahara samuttana also ekanta there are 14, anekanta 14. Become total 28. 28. So combining with ajjatikam bahira, because ahara samuttana rupa, now we know there are how many ahara samuttana? There are 14. Those are ahara samuttana rupa, we can make the group. We can make the group. How we make the group? You see, 0, 14, 14, this is one of the chart. How we understand this chart? So only separate the ahara samuttana ekanta 40 into the ajjatika ahara samuttana. You see, the internal not ahara samuttana. There are five sensitivities. Bahiram na ahara samuttana. Bahiram na ahara samuttana. Remaining there are 9. Sound, life, to sex, and heart base. To intimation and again impermanence also Bahira. Bahira. And Bahiram na ahara samuttana. All remaining rupa we call Bahiram. Bahira, yes, right. Now you see how many rupa we can say Ajjatikam na ahara samuttana. How many rupa? Ajjatikam ahara samuttana. How many Ajjatikam na ahara samuttana? There are 5 sensitivities. Again, Bahiram na ahara samuttana. Bahiram na ahara samuttana. There are also 14. The ahara samuttana, the rest are all under the Bahiram ahara samuttana. Yeah, I think it should be okay, no? Again, explain Ajjatikam na ahara samuttana. There are 5. There are 5. Ahara samuttana, Bahiram, there are 14. Bahiram na ahara samuttana, there are 9. There are 9. Okay. Ahara na ahara samuttana, there are 5. Ahara samuttana, there are 14. Bahiram, there are 14. But anyway, if you want to know if you want to count, but now this is what is the meaning our notes. Though whatever rupa include the ahara samuttana, nutriment bone kalapa, those are rupas we can make 3 sentences. How we make? Ajjatika na ahara samuttana. Internal, not nutriment, bone rupa. Only there are 5. Chakku, sota, gahana, jiva, kaya. Those are 5 rupa, not those are 5 rupa is meaning. Chakku, sota, gahana, jiva, kaya. Again, say Bahiram ahara samuttana. Those are other 15 rupa is Bahira, external. External rupa. Bahiram na ahara samuttana. Bahiram na ahara samuttana. This is Bahiram, is a ahara samuttana. Ekanta and anekanta. Now we already explained anekanta. Ekanta. No more rupa. Because why? Ahara samuttana is not connect with mind. Not connect with mind. Because of that, we not explain just like how to say. But anyway, the nutriment rupa we divide into Ajjatik and Bahir according to the notes. Okay, now you see, you can count. Ajjatika na ahara samuttana, there are 5. They have the red color circle. There are 5, but those are 5 sensitivities. But this one internal rupa. But we cannot say ahara samuttana because ahara cannot produce. Those are 5 sensitivities. Those are 5 sensitivities can produce by karma. by Kamma. That's we call Kammaja Rupa. Definitely Kammaja Rupa. But those are 5 Rupa also went already, so it means appear already, but this one not related to the Ahara. Those are 5 related to the Kamma, Vipaka of the Kamma. Okay? And again, after those are 5, other all remaining Rupa, how many? There are 23. 23 here. Among the 23 Rupa, Bahirang Ahara Samuttana. Bahirang the Ahara Samuttana. External nutriment born Rupa. External, not nutriment born Rupa. This is the meaning. Ahara Samuttana, Ahara, na Ahara Samuttana. Anyway, Ahara Samuttanam is, now we know, only 14. Na Ahara Samuttanam, there are 9. There are 9. Because why? This the blue color circle is only, we call it, how to say, those are 23 Rupa is external Rupa, not the internal. Those are 23 divided into 2 parts, Ahara Samuttana and Na Ahara Samuttana. Ahara Samuttana 14, Na Ahara Samuttana also 14. But why we divide into here, Ajjatika, the 5 sensitive into Ajjatika group, the remaining 9 sentences is still Na Ahara Samuttana. Those are 9 also appearing, not the related to the Ahara. Okay, this is a meaning. So, if you want to know about the detailing, you see, the column, they have the red color column and the blue and those are 3 color column. No? Now you see, Ajjatikam na Ahara Samuttana, only 5. Chakku Sota Ghana Juha Kai, those are 5 Rupa only. Bahiran Anekhant Ahara Samuttana, there are 14. There are 14. And the Na Ahara Samuttana, Bahira Na Ahara Samuttana, there are 9. There are 9. Okay, there are 9. I think, did you get the meaning? Because this one not explain the Dhamma Sangani. That's why we make according to the way. Yeah, I think should be okay, no? Next one. Ajjatika na Utusamuttana. They say temperature born kalapa. Bahiran Utusamuttana, Bahiran na Utusamuttana. Ajjatika na Utusamuttana, internal not temperature born Rupa. Bahiran Utusamuttana, external temperature born Rupa. Bahiran Utusamuttana, external not temperature born Rupa. Okay. Now about the Utuja Rupa. How we understand Utuja. Now they have the revision notes. Temperature born Rupa Kalapas. Total 15 types of nutriment born Rupa. There are 8 inseparable, 8. Sound, lightness, softness, wildness, space element, generation and continuity. Again, total there are 15 types of nutriment born Rupa. What are the 15? 8 inseparable. And sound, lightness, softness, wildness, space element, generation and continuity. This is the meaning of 15 types of nutriment borne rupa. How we understand Utuja Rupa Kalapa? You see about the column, the Suddhatakang, pure octet, Saddha Navakang, sound, 9 Rupa with sound. Lahutadi Ekadasaka, lightness, triad, undecayed. Saddha Lahutadi Dwadasaka Kalapa, sound, lightness, triad, dedicate. Yeah, sorry, yes. So there are 4 kalapa, no? 4. The 4 group, 8 group, 9 group, 10 group, and 12 group. Avini 8 Aviniboga included. 8 Aviniboga Rupa. 8 Aviniboga Rupa. Again, sound. Lahota, Mudita, Kammanyita. There are 3. Yeah. Lahota, Mudita, Kammanyita. There are 3. And sound with Lahota, Mudita, Kammanyita. There are 12. There are 4 Rupa Kalapa. Now, how many Rupa there? But Kalapa, we know there are 4 Kalapa. How many Rupa there? But there are Aviniboga. There are 8 Rupa Aviniboga. And Saddha. Sorry, the Saddha Rupa, Saddha, sound. Saddha Rupa. Saddha Rupa, there are sound, no? There are 2 places. And Lahutadi. Lahuta, Muduta, Kammanyata. There are 3 Rupa. So, how we understand? Comparing Rupas of different origins. There are 15 Rupas that are temperature born. All of them, they also arise from other origins. Hence, there is no Rupa that is definitely Ekanta, temperature born. All 15 Rupas, 8 separable, sound, lightness, heaviness, they say what are the all type of 15 Rupa? They say 8 separable, sound, lightness, softness, wildness, space, and generation and continuity. Can either be temperature born or produced by other origin. That's why temperature born don't have only for Utuja Rupa. We cannot say because the don't have separate special group for the temperature group. That's why they say remaining 13 Rupas are definitely Ekanta, not nutriment born. Now you see, they have the circle, red color circle, they are Ekanta, Utusamutthana 0. Na Utusamutthana, they are Ekanta, they are 13. Anekanta, they are 15. That's why we call Na Utusamutthana, there are 15. So, yeah, no, sorry, the Utusamutthana, there are 15. Na Utusamutthana, there are 13. There are 13. But together, there are Utusamutthana also, there are 15. Na Utusamutthana also, there are 13. But including 15 become 28. How we understand this one? That period. Please check again. Okay, because this one, you see that they have the red color circle and blue color circle, the two circle, no? Because the two circle, Utusamuttana one circle, Na Utusamuttana one circle. So Utusamuttana circle, there are 15 rupa include. There are 15 rupa include. Okay, there are 15 rupa include. And the Na Utusamuttana circle, there are 13 separately. We can say remaining 13 rupas are definitely Ekanta, not nutriment born rupa. Is 13. But 15, we can say can either be temperature born or produced by other origin, because they are for the both side. The 15 rupa for the both side. For the Utusamuttana also 15, Na Utusamuttana also they are 50. Okay, understand? Now, now we know about the Utusamuttana there and Na Utusamuttana. How they combine together? How they combine together? Utusamuttana and Na Utusamuttana. Now, combining with Ajjatikan and Bahira. Combining with Ajjatikan and Bahira. How the better go first for the circle. Utusamuttana and Na Utusamuttana. You see the Utusamuttana, there are 15. There are 15. Na Utusamuttana, there are 13. There are 13. How we understand 5 sensitivities rupa, Chakku Sota Ghana Jiva Kaya, no? Those are 5 sensitivities rupa is Ajjatika. Ajjatika. Internal. Remaining all 8 type of rupa is a Bahira, external. That's why we can say internal na Utusamuttana, external na Utusamuttana. Okay. Internal na Utusamuttana, we can say, sorry. In Ajjatika na Utusamuttana, there are 5 rupa, 5 sensitivities. Bahirang na Utusamuttana, there are 8 rupa. And Bahirang, now Bahirang Utusamuttana, they are also other old rupa. Again, you see, according to the chart, there are 15 rupa and 13 rupa they are going to understand. Again, please check by yourself. So only separate the Na Utusamuttana Ekanta 13 into Ajjatikam, Utusamuttana and Bahirang, Na Utusamuttana. The rest are all under Bahira. Okay? Now you see? So only separate the Na Utusamuttana. Na Utusamuttana. Na Utusamuttana and Bahira na Utusamuttana. What are the Ajjattang na Utusamuttana? There are 5 sensitivities. Bahira na Utusamuttana, what is the? There are 8. And the rest all under Bahira. Okay, that's why they are all under Bahira. Now you see there is a big circle. Red color different, one circle they alone, but Bahiran they have the combined together. Two circles they combined together. How we understand five sensitivities rupa? We can say ekanta utu samuttana. Ekanta utu samuttana. So yeah, ekanta ajjatikam na utu samuttana. There are five rupa. Five rupa is internal na utu samuttana. Internal, not utu samuttana rupa. But the bahira, there are other all rupa, including bahira group. That's why now we know for the 28 rupa, we can divide into two parts, Ajjatika and Bahira. No? There are 5 rupas Ajjatika, 23 rupa for Bahira. Okay? Ajjatika there are 5, Bahira there are 23. So, how many Utusamuttana Ajjatika? No. That's why it says it. Ajjatika na Utusamuttana there are 5. After that, they say Bahirang Utusamuttana, Bahirang na Utusamuttana. The 23 rupa they divide into 2. Bahirang na Utusamuttana. Bahirang na Utusamuttana, there are 8. Bahirang Utusamuttana, there are 15. That's why Utusamuttana there are 15, but those are 15 rupas of Bahirang. Na Utusamuttana there are 8, Bahirang there are 8. Now see, na Utusamuttana how many rupa? How many Utusamuttana rupa? 5 plus 8. How many na Utusamuttana? How many Utusamuttana? There are 15. How many na Utusamuttana? There are 8 plus 8. So the 5 plus 8 become 13. Okay? 13. Okay. Now understand, no? Okay, now please go and check about the rupa's name. They have list down, already list down. Ajjatikam na Utusamuttana. This is a 5 circle. The red colors inside the there are 5 rupa inside the red circle. Then the red column also there are 5. Chakku sota ghana juha kaya. Those are rupa ajjatika na Utusamuttana. Yeah, now I think maybe you know the meaning. I use always English. Sorry, the Pali. Ajjatika is internal, Bahiran external. Na Utusamuttana, not temperature born rupa. Utusamuttana, temperature born rupa. Na Utusamuttana, not temperature born rupa. Ekanta is definitely, Anekanta not sure. Ekanta is definitely. So, according to this chart, Ajjatikam na Utusamuttana. Internal, not temperature, born rupa, there are 5. Bahirang Utusamuttana, external, temperature, born rupa. But Ekanta don't have. Anekanta, there are 15. After again, na Utusamuttana Ekantang. There are, Bahirang na Utusamuttana, external, not temperature born rupa. They are definitely, they have the 8 rupa. What are the 8? Ittindriya, Purusendriya, Jevatindriya, Kaya Vinyati, Vachi Vinyati, and Jarata, Anichata. Those are 8 rupa. We call Bahirang na Utusamuttana, external, not temperature born rupa. Okay. Now this is a meaning. Now I think the Ahara Samuttana and Utu Samuttana. Again, please you check your previous note. How many Ahara Samuttana Rupa? Ahara Ajjatikana Ahara Samuttana, there are 5. Do you remember before? Please go and check. Then the previous note. 54 page number, sister. Yeah. Then again, for the Bahirang Ahara Samuttana, there are 14. Bahirana Ahara Samuttana, there are 9. Yeah. Now remember. Now Ahara Samuttana, there are 14. Ahara Na Samuttana, there are 9. But Ajjatikana Ahara Samuttana, there are 5. Okay. Now come to the our this notes. They say 5 rupa ajjatika na utu samuttana bahiran utu samuttana bahiran na utu samuttana. Bahiran utu samuttana and bahiran na utu samuttana. Bahiran na utu samuttana, there are 8. Bahiran utu samuttana, there are 15. Okay. Now that's why the page number 61. Page number 61. Now, because now you see what is the difference between Utuja Rupa and Aharaja Rupa? This is extra question. What is the difference between Utuja Rupa and Aharaja Rupa? What is the difference between Utuja Rupa and Aharaja Rupa? Yeah. Because Aharaja Rupa, there are 14. Yeah. Utuja Rupa, there are how many? There are 15. One more Rupa add. Which one? Which Rupa? Yeah, now we have to know now about the Utu Samuttana, they are 15. Ahara Samuttana, they are 14. There are 14. Because different, what is the difference between? Because Saddha Rupa. Okay, you should give Saddha Rupa. Saddha Rupa, always sound will be appear with from our mind, or especially for the mind. When you are talk, no, when we are talk or discussing with other, at that time sound coming, and this is could be now 14 and 15 different, because the sound cannot be Ahara Samuttana. Sound can be Utu Samuttana. This is a different. Okay, especially when we are eating in the food, no, the food or when you're eating, but sometimes the sound, the external sound or maybe the other sound also can appear because of the Utu temperature. But when after we take the food, but essence of the food, oja, when they absorb to our body, at that time cannot produce the sound. That's why the ahara, the sound not including in the ahara group, but sound included in the Utuja group. That's why different. There are 14 rupa for ahara. There are 15 rupa for Utu. Only different sound. Okay. This one you have to keep. How many ahara rupa? There are 14. How many Utuja rupa? There are 15. So now you can count page number 54. page number 54, you can count Ahara Rupa. Patavi, Apo, Tejo, Vayu. There are 4. Patavi, Apo, Tejo, Vayu. There are 4. And Rupayatanam. Page number 52, 54. Page number 54. Yes, 54. Because I want to say, but again, the Ahara, they are 14. Ahara Rupa, they are 14. Yes, right. Now they see now you can the blue color column. Now you try to read what are the 14 type of Ahara Rupa? Patavi, Apu, Patavi Tejo, Vayu, Apu. There are 4 elements first. After that, Rupa Etanam, color object. But Saddha, no more sound. No more sound. After that, Gandha Etanam, Rasa Etanam. There are 2. Gandha is smell and taste. Again, Akasa Dhatu is space. And Rupasa Lahuta, Muduta, Kamanyata. And Upachaya Santati. And last one is Kabalinkaru Ahara. Those are 40, but sound not include. See, sound not include for the Ahara Rupa. Okay, please go again. Same column under the Utu Samuttahana. Utu Samuttahana. Yeah. Page number 61. Yes. Now please check the blue color. Blue color. They have the Patavi, Tejo, Vayu, Apu. There are 4 elements. 4 elements. Again, Rupa color object. They have sound. Saddha, they have the sound. Gandha, smell. Rasa, taste. There are 4 objects. And Lahuta, Muduta, Kamanyata, Upachaya, Santati, Jaratha. And Akas Dhatus there, and Kabalinkaru Ahara. Then you see the sound include for the Utu Samuttahana, Utu group. Okay. Now this way, please you have to understand the how many Ahara Rupa and how many Uttuja Rupa. Uttuja Rupa there are 15, Ahara Rupa there are 14. Then the sound include for the Uttuja group, but sound not include for the Ahara group. This is only difference between Ahara and Uttarupa. Okay, now please go and again next chapter, 62. Ajjatika na chitta sahabu. Bahiram chitta sahabu. Bahira na chitta sahabu. Okay, this one from the direct we take from the Dhammasangani book. Classification into 3 groups: internal, not existing together with mind; external, existing together with mind; external, not existing together with mind. Okay, but chitta sahabu is existing together with mind. Okay, but sometimes some of rupa appear with together with the mind. Sometimes not appear with the mind. Anyway, we can check the definition of chitta sahabu according to the Dhammasangani book. But this is Pali. They have Pali. Khatame Dhamma chitta sahabuno. Which Dhamma exists together with chitta? Oh yeah, how many Dhamma? How many Dhamma with chitta, together with chitta? Vedana khandho, sanya khandho, sankhara khandho, Kaya vinyatti, vachi vinyatti. Ime dhamma chitta sahabuno. Please, you keep your mind. The feeling aggregate, the perception aggregates, the formation aggregates. Meaning, there are three nama aggregates. And which mean all chetasika. Which means all chetasika appear with chitta. That's why chitta sahabu. But chetasika always exists with chitta. And bodily intimation and verbal intimation, the two intimation rupa, especially chitta sahabu, meaning according to the Dhamma Sangani book, they mention only two intimation. There are two types of intimation rupa. Because now our topic also rupa, no? Again, they say, Katame Dhamma na chitta sahabuno. Chittancha avasesancha rupana asankatacha dhatu. Which dhammas do not exist together with chitta. Now, chitta, remaining rupa, and unconditioned element, nibbana. These dhammas do not exist together with chitta. Now you see, chitta sahabuno meaning some of dhamma existing together. Okay, together, but some of them are not existing together. Exist together. Now, this is only the two intimation rupas have exactly the same lifespan of one mind moment as chitta. The rest of the mind born chitta samuttahana rupas not so. Thus, they do not exist together with chitta. Okay, that's why someone think chitta samuttahana and chitta sahabuna the same meaning. The chitta rupa and chitta sahabuna the same meaning, same explanation. Someone think, but chitta samuttahana, they are chitta rupa. They are different because chitta rupa meaning arising together with mind, but not existing together. But now here mentioned chitta sahabuno meaning only the two intimation rupa have exactly the same lifespan of one mind moment as chitta. You see, the rest of the mind born rupas not so. All other mind born rupa not include here. Thus, they do not exist together with chitta. Very important, no? Very important. Okay, now, according to the Dhamma Sangani book, chitta sahabu na chitta sahabu, meaning existing together with mind, not existing together with mind. Okay, there are 26 rupa not come into being with mind, meaning 26 rupa we are not calling chitta sahabu. Only two rupa. Only two rupa we call only chitta sahabu. Chitta sahabu. The only two rupa we call chitta sahabu. Okay. So now you see the circle. They have the blue color and red color circle. No? Two circles. Chitta sahabu. There are only two rupa. Two type of intimation rupa. Other all remaining rupa we call no na chitta sahabu. No chitta sahabu. Okay. Now we know about the chitta sahabu and no chitta sahabu. Again, how we understand, how we divide ajjatika and bahira. But the ajjatika na chitta sahabu. Ajjatika na chitta sahabu. There are 5 sensitivities all within na chitta sahabu. The internal 5 sensitivities is we call no chitta sahabu. No chitta sahabu, because the no chitta sahabu group, there are 26 rupa. No, those are 26 rupa. We can divide into two parts: ajjatika and bahira. There are 5 sensitivities. They are ajjatika. Remaining 21 is called bahira. external. Okay, now Ajjatikam na chitta sahabu. Only 5 sensitivities. Bahirang na chitta sahabu, there are 21. So only separate the na chitta sahabu, 26, into Ajjatika na chitta sahabu, there are 5, and Bahiran na chitta sahabu, there are 8. The two intimation are all Bahiran chitta sahabu. So there are two type of intimation rupa we call chitta sahabu under the Bahiran chitta sahabu. How we combine it together with Ajjatika and Bahira. Okay, now the last circle, see, there are Ajjatika and chitta sahabu, there are 5. Internal, not existing, together with mind. There are 5 rupa. Bahiran chitta sahabu, external, existing together with mind, there are 2. Bahiran na chitta sahabu, existing, so the external, existing together with mind. Not existing. The Bahiran na chitta sahabu. Bahiran is external, na chitta sahabu meaning not existing together with mind. There are 21 rupa. Okay, again, please. Bahiran chitta sahabu, there are 2. Bahiran na chitta sahabu, there are 21. Ajjatika na chitta sahabu, there are 5. Okay, this is a chitta sahabu group. Okay, now you can see in the column also the red color column Ajjatika na chitta sahabu, there are 5, and the green color Bahiran chitta sahabu, there are 2 only, 2 intimation rupa. Bahiran na chitta sahabu, remaining all type of 21 rupa, all type of rupa. The same way Chittanu Parivati, next one also. Next one also same. Chittanu Parivati. Chittanu Parivati also the same, just similar to that for Chitta Sahabu. Okay, now you see Chittanu Parivati also. Chittanu Parivati meaning following the mind. Following the mind. The sum of the rupa following the mind. Following with chitta. So that's why about the how many chitta sahabu rupa, same meaning chittan parivati. Okay, chitta sahabu, they are only bodily intimation and verbal intimation. Same way chittan parivati also, they are only 2 rupa. Okay, now how we understand chitta sahabu, same way you have to understand chittanu parivati also. Okay, I will no need to explain. Yes. Now today we study Utuja Rupa, temperature born Rupa, and Ahara Rupa, nutriment born Rupa. The same way Chitta Sahabu and Chittanu Parivati. And we already study what is the difference between Chittaja Rupa and Chittanu Parivati. Same way we already studied difference between Ahara Rupa and Utuja Rupa. Okay, I don't know you understand or not, because too much Pali and same thing I have to again and again to explain, because according to the topic, lesson to lesson. So I think if you have anything, please let me know to. Yeah, sister, should be okay?
Bhante? Yes, Bhante, I have a question.
Yeah.
Bhante, can you explain again about Satayatana? Not why is not Utuja?
Sorry, the Saddha is Utuja, not Ahara.
Oh yeah, why it is Utuja? Sorry, Bhante.
Yeah, because now,
Utuja?
yeah, example, sister.
Yes.
Now you see, someone makes sound. Maybe someone make the bell. Bell is outside, external, no? But this is the sound is Utuja, because the material thing they are touching together.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this sound they're coming from the make sound made by the temperature, the things. This is we call Utuja. Even sometimes sister,
Yes.
sometimes the sound also appearing from our stomach
Yes.
from inside the body. The wind hum up. They make the sound.
Yeah, it is a bit difficult to understand for me because temperature. Yes, it is by
Temperature. That's why we got the utuja sound, the utu rupa, because of the environment,
uh,
because of the material things, they are touching together. That's why the sound appear. But because usually the chitta just sound very strong when you're talking. You're talking, the each other talking. No, this sound, this sound appear from chitta, from because of chitta,
yes.
power of the chitta. Because there are the two types of sound: chitta sound and utu sound.
Oh,
Chitta sound with verbal, with mouth.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
Other sound all we call utu sound.
So if usually material and material
Mm.
together, so that is
Yes,
considered as utu.
utu. Yes,
Okay.
and some people talking. This sound appear with in the mind because of mind. This is that's what we call
Yeah.
chittaja utu. Chittaja sound.
Yes. Yes. Okay, Bante.
Okay.
Yes. Bante, another question. Because Bante has gone through the Aharaja and Utuja,
Mm.
I realized the Rupa Charata and Anicata
Mm.
both are not Aharaja and Utuja.
Mm.
But I forgot my previous Rupa lesson.
Mm.
Is it Kamaja? Is it which Ahara, Utu, Kama? Or why this Charata and Anichata is not Ahara, Ja, and Utuja?
Mm. 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 Because sister, those are four rupa: upachaya, santati, jarata, anichata.
Yes.
Those are rupa we call the characteristic of rupa.
Okay.
Okay, we cannot see and we cannot separate this exactly this one we cannot say,
Yes.
because the example eye base we can see, no, we can show the people this is eye base, this is ear base, we can see, we can explain, no.
Yes.
But for the characteristic of the rupa, the meditators can feel, can understand, can because the arising, standing, and perishing moment of the rupa.
Yes.
That's why, because the jarata anichata, those are characteristic we can see everywhere. The kama rupa, chitta rupa, utu, and ahara. Everywhere we can see.
Ja-
Jarata anichata,
Yes. Yes.
two characteristic we can see everywhere.
Yes.
But everywhere we can see that because of that, we are not going to put to any group.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
Jarata Anichata not going to put anywhere, any group.
okay. So not in any of the four groups.
Yes.
Okay. But why Santati is in
Because something is
yes,
arising moment,
yes, yes,
arising moment.
yes.
But this one include there.
Mm,
Because the rupa's arising moment they explain,
yes.
but
Okay.
the Jarata Anichata not mentioned, not include anywhere. This is a meaning. Because my understanding, we can the rupas arising moment they are explaining, and jarata anichata is a standing and perishing moment. It's kalapa, the rupas and kalapas. That's why.
Oh, okay. It's Ja. Okay. It's arise. Put. I mean, produced by Theta, produced by Utu. So,
Mm,
it's arising should be included. Yes,
yes,
correct. So included
Yeah.
in all the 4 groups, right?
Yes.
Okay, now I think I understand, Bante.
Okay.
Yes, yes, Bante. Yeah. Thank you, Bante. Any other questions?
Okay. May all of you be healthy. May all of you be well and happy. May all of you be free for all suffering and attain Nibbana soon. Please repeat after me. Idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang Nibbanassa paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu sadhu 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 sukhi hotu nibbana paccayo hotu.